Okay, folks, I want to talk to you about the idea of a function. Now, these there are two people here at a gas station, and the sign says $3.45. So we got a girl, we got a guy, okay, and they're putting gas in their car, okay, putting gas in their car. Now, the young lady puts in $10 of gas, and her bill is $34.50. Now they're putting in the same, you know, octane of gas. It's the same price. And then he puts in $10 and his bill is $20, says it on the pump. Now, obviously, who is going to be happy and who's going to be panicking here? Okay. All right. So the young lady is going to be panicking because for the same input, they got two different outputs. And believe me, that is not going to function at the gas pump. Okay. So I think that's something we can all relate to. If I wrote that as an ordered pair, the first one is 10, 34.5, and the second one is 10, 20. The number of gallons and the price. Okay? Does that make sense? All right. Get it? Does that make sense? All right, now we're going to look at the idea of a function from definition. A function is a relation in which each element of the domain, that is the first value or the x value, is paired with only one element of the range. Okay, move that up here, okay? Only one element of the range. So keep that in mind. So what was the problem here? The problem here is that 10 was paired with two different numbers, 34.5 and 20, and that is not going to function, especially with the price of gas. All right, let's take a look at that in another way. Here we have a relation which is a set of ordered pairs, A, and relation B. Now, one of these is a function and one of them is not a function. Can you tell the difference? Well, that's a good question. Here the domain values are 1, 1, and here the range values are 2 and 5. Notice how that 1 is associated with the 2 and a 5, so that would be not a function. Now notice in the second one, even though I have a range value that is the same, I do not have any x values that are the same. I have an x value of a 2. I have an x value of a 5. That is a function. So keep that in mind. All right, here's another visual. I have two simple ordered pairs. Of course, now you remember this is x and this is y. This is x and this is y. All right, what is this ordered pair? 1, 1. What is this ordered pair? 2, 1. That is a function for sure. Now look at this one. What is this ordered pair down here? That's 1, 1. What is this ordered pair? 1, 2. Is that a function? No, because for the value of 1 for the domain, I have two different y values. That makes sense? Okay. By the way, would a vertical line cross two at the same time? Yeah, it would, wouldn't it? All right. Now look at these little graphical functions. Remember, the black is the coordinate plane and the orange is the function. One of these orange curves is a function according to our definition. One is not. Can you tell the difference? Well, this one right here is not, because you see for the domain value of 0, I have two different y values. Or a vertical line would cross my function in more than one spot, here or here. And I have the same situation as I did over here. So this is a function. Why? Because vertical lines would only cross my function in one spot. This is not a function, and if it fails one time, it's just not a function. That is the basic definition of a function. I hope that helps.